welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. It is house cleaning day in the Bead Sisters house and laundry day, and my daughter has a riding lesson this afternoon. It's about a half-hour drive away, but it's really a beautiful farm, so maybe I can get some footage when we go up there. I don't know that you want to watch me clean my bathroom today, but that is what's going on. Let's start, well, first of all, I'm having my coffee. I think this was called Bells of Liberty. Is this the chocolate strawberry? Do I have the right one? Anyway, chocolate strawberry, pretty yummy. Let's do our joke of the day. It's Monday, we could use some humor. Why was the little boy so cold on Christmas morning? Because it was December. I need a kid to read these. I actually have some family coming in. Maybe I'll ask them. They have some little ones. Okay, I have been reading in my Christmas Carol Advent book. That's really fun. Reading just a few pages a day is so much fun. And then the Three Wise Women. Mostly been reading about Mary up to now. I think it switches to Elizabeth maybe today or tomorrow. So yeah, it's been really sweet and just the right length. It only takes me a few minutes to read it, but there's scripture included and kind of a retelling of the story, but lots of scripture included to back it up. So that's been really good. Okay, let's open Advents. This one actually ripped a little bit already, so we have a sneak preview. There's a bottle of something or other from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Let's see what's in here. Sorry for the crinkling. Yay! Iron cleaner. Do you use this? There. Is it focusing? Come on. There it goes. I love having iron cleaner. My iron tends to get sort of icky. Not so much when I'm sewing, but my daughter does my husband and son's dress shirts. My husband pays her a little bit to iron shirts, and she uses spray starch, which he likes. So yeah, it needs cleaning. Quilting and crafting spray removes wrinkles and flattens seams. Ooh, nice. Oh, I'm crazy excited about having some iron cleaner. I love it. Okay. And on cleaning day, perfect. I don't think I need to clean it. Well, I'm looking over there. I think I should clean it. Okay. Day 5. Let's see what it is. I don't think there's a stitch marker in this one. I picked up one that rattled. I think yesterday I was rearranging them. Ooh, there is something special in here. What is that? Oh, piece of candy. It looks like a Mickey Mouse hat. I'll pull it out in just a second. There's the yarn. So sweet. And one of the comments was at Baker Street Knits. They talked about how the colors are just blending nicely together, and they really are. I think this one will stand out, but that's okay. I like that. It's a soft pink and cream. No cheeses for us Mises. From PK Yarn. Alrighty, now let's open this up and see. Treat for today, maybe later. Are you gonna focus? Yes, you are gonna focus. So let me show you my progress. Excuse me. We'll go to the flax. I have done all of the decreases, or increases rather, for the sleeves, but then I just knit straight without decreases before I've actually split for sleeves. But that's my progress. It's really hard to see. I actually went to a longer needle, but it still doesn't stretch out all that much. Better this way. See if I can figure out where. All right, I think that's kind of it. It's really hard to see on this. But yeah, they're blending nicely. Now this one will be, I'll put it down. This one will stand out some. It's not a fade, but I think it's gonna, I think so far at least it is blending really nicely. I think this is gonna be fun to wear. Okay, and my 24 stripe socks. So this is the one, about to lose a stitch. Okay, this is through yesterday. Can you see it? And I actually have the other one, the new color done on this one. Kind of stops in the middle of a round, so. Isn't that pretty? So we had this very sedate palette through here, and then we get this whop of bright color up here. That is just so much fun. Yay! So those are coming along. I keep thinking they'll never be finished in time, but I have to remind, because I feel like I'm not knitting enough. But I'm doing 2, so I have to remind myself I would be like twice this far if I were only doing 1 sock at a time. So I don't think I've ever knit socks concurrently like that before, so that's probably why it feels a little strange. All right, I think that's it for up here. I am gonna go check on my laundry. I have 1 load in, and I'm gonna start dusting and scrubbing bathrooms. I will take you along to the horse farm. And did I say this a while ago? I may get Janie to drive. My daughter, she could go by herself. She has her driver's license, but she just prefers to have somebody with her if it's possible. So I'll get some footage of driving out to the horse farm, and hopefully there'll be some Christmas decorations at the library when we are on our way back. All right, I'll check in with you later.